You're back with us on Intense. It's been a very busy week. Lots of ups and downs. Here's the Intense 5. Tyrone is going to be a happy camper when he hears this. Riri is back on the single train. Well, for now. It looks as though Rihanna and her billionaire boyfriend have called it quits. I was kind of rooting for them though.
I was highly rooting for them.
Me too.
I did like them, and they had like a little low-key vibe. I did really like that. But you know,
It's okay.
nothing lasts forever.
True.
After having her baby stolen from her a few months ago, they have finally been reunited. I can imagine how overjoyed the mother must feel. Great work by the JCF.
Harry and Meghan, big up yourselves. Do what you need to do for your family. By the way, Harry flew on WestJet the other day. There's no first class on that plane, okay?
You go, girl. Tell your man ain't no more living with his mom. He needs to go out and get a job. Are Conscience and his wife back together? That's what we heard. We wish them all the best and hope they can get past everything.
Yup. And finally holding the spot this week. Guess who changed their name again? This time legally. Yep. P. Diddy or Puffy or whatever the last one was. So now it is Sean Love Combs. And the love has to be in all caps. He said he just had a desire to change his middle name.
All right, cool.
Yeah. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more in entertainment news.